Hey, why is this messy?
Oh, that closet. Sorry.
What happened in here?
I looked for sweaters.
You pulled everything out.
Yeah, kind of.
Why all of a sudden?
The weather got cold.
You could have asked me.
I know, I'm sorry. It's really messy now.
Yeah, my fault.
I need thicker clothes, too.
Yeah, it's colder now.
Oh no, mine's messy too.
Oh no, really?
Yes, everything is everywhere.
I promise I didn't touch that.
Cold air attacked the closets.
Yeah, our closet's freaked out now.
Clothes ran everywhere.
Yeah, looks like it.
We need some cleaning.
Yes, for sure.
Let's pick needed clothes.
Good idea.
Put summer clothes away
We won't need them.
and hang those jackets.
Sure, no problem.
Let's make it cleaner today.
Yes, let's do it. Oh no, you're all wet.
Yeah, my umbrella broke.
What happened this time?
Umbrella has 2 mouse holes.
What? That's impossible.
Really? It rains inside too.
But the umbrella was stored.
Maybe mice are in storage.
Oh no, I'm so scared.
Don't worry, we'll fix it.
Here's a towel. Careful now.
I need a hot shower.
How do we catch mice?
First, check the storage room.
Okay, let's go together.
Look, there's a small mouse.
Get away from me.
It's tiny. Don't worry now.
Can we trap it now?
Yes, I have a trap.
Is it safe for us?
Totally safe. Don't worry.
Did you see the mouse?
Yes, it's near the box.
Oh my God, so tiny.
I'll move it outside now.
Are you sure it's gone?
Yes, all clear now.
I feel safe now.
No problem. Everything is fine.
Are you ready?
Not yet.
We're going to be late.
I know.
What are you looking for?
My shoes.
You lose them every time.
I know.
Check under the couch.
Oh, found one.
One? Only one?
Yeah, still missing the other.
Look by the door.
Yes, got it.
Finally. Put them on.
I'm putting them on.
Did you grab your phone?
It's right here,
Your wallet?
in my pocket.
What about the tickets?
I printed them.
Did you bring water?
No, should I?
Yes. Grab a bottle.
Okay, 1 second.
Hurry up. Traffic is bad now.
I'll be fast.
Do we need jackets?
Maybe.
It's cold outside.
Grab yours, please.
Got it.
I'm waiting by the door.
Give me 2 minutes.
You always say 2 minutes.
This time I mean it.
Okay, let's go now.
I'm ready. Let's go. Christmas is coming soon.
Yeah, we need a plan.
It's such a joyful holiday.
Yes, I'm excited.
I want my sister visiting.
Your sister again?
She loves Christmas here.
I know. I want my friend coming.
Your friend again?
He's like family too.
I get that, but space is tight.
Not too bad.
My sister has 3 kids.
My friend has 2 and we have 2.
That's a lot.
It will be crazy loud.
Crazy and fun.
The house might explode.
Probably, yeah.
Kids running everywhere.
Total chaos, honestly. We will lose control.
We always do.
But they'll love it.
They definitely will.
Should we invite both families?
Maybe we should.
Okay, let's do it.
Invite them all.
Our house will overflow.
Full of kids.
And full of laughter.
Best Christmas ever.
I'll call my sister.
I'll text my friend.
Hope we survive this.
We'll be fine.
Honey, wake up.
What time is it?
It's 7 already.
That's fast.
Wait, check your phone.
What, is something wrong?
Oh, wow, it's only 6.
Seriously, a whole hour?
Yeah, we woke up early.
No wonder it feels dark.
Do you want to go back?
No, I'm up now.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really.
Do you feel tired now?
Yeah, very tired.
Maybe some breakfast will help.
Something warm, maybe.
What sounds good to you?
Something light. Nothing heavy.
How about eggs?
Eggs sound okay.
And some toast?
Toast is fine too.
What about fruit?
Maybe a little fruit.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Tea, something gentle.
Green tea or black tea?
Green tea, please.
Here's your tea.
Thanks, you're so kind.
I will drink tea and make breakfast.
Okay, I'll help after tea.
Is this spot good?
It's perfect.
Do you like quiet places?
I really do.
Did you bring sandwiches?
Yes, 2 of them.
Any fruit with you?
Some apples.
I brought drinks.
Nice. What drinks?
Just lemonade.
Great. I love lemonade.
Did you remember the blanket?
It's right here.
Should we sit under the tree?
It's shady there.
Want some lemonade now?
Yes, I am a bit warm.
Do you go on picnics often?
Only sometimes.
Do you like outdoor stuff?
Yeah, I love nature.
What do you do on weekends?
Mostly relax or walk.
Are you a morning person?
No, not at all.
What food do you like?
Mostly simple stuff.
Do you cook at home?
Yeah, a few times a week.
Do you enjoy sunny days?
Yeah, they feel nice.
Should we come again?
Let's do that.
How about next weekend?
Deal. Sounds perfect.